Hey guys, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Rinske Douna and this is my art channel. In January, I'm doing a pearl acrylic month. On this canvas, I will use a white base. On top of that, use a paint gray, then pearl colors and a gold. And the pearl colors, we can only see the true colors when they are dry. So it's always an element of surprise. And this painting as well is done with only pearl colors on a Prussian blue base. They are amazing, but they look white to begin with. So let's get started. And of course, you can get those pearl colors on my website, rinskedouna.com. And they create this beautiful metallic shine as well. And this is a big canvas, 50 by 100 centimeters. And maybe you noticed I work in eras. So last year I did a lot of my Dutch pour bloom, which I have a course of. So maybe you're joining my course and are in my class. If you aren't, you can check it out in the description. I'm having a lot of amazing feedback and I'm really overwhelmed by the amount of sales. It's been amazing. And now I'm so into botanical Dutch pours, and they are inspired by Tina's inspired art, and it's just so much fun. It really levels up the regular Dutch pour. I want a little bit more because I want to blow out the line straight away. I'm trying to get it quite leveled out. You have a ton of air bubbles, so I'm using a very simple color palette today. Paints gray, a pearl blue and a pearl violet and gold. It will be more of a monochrome painting to begin with. Okay. So let's torch out these air bubbles and get started with the colors. Okay, let's start with the paints gray, and I'm pouring a line from here towards there. Yes, and then like this. Let's add some more. Then let's go with a pearl blue right on top of the dark color. On top of this, I will pour a little bit more of the paints gray again. Well, you don't really have to. Then the pearl violet. And the wiggly waggly line, right? And because I just want it quite dark, this blowout, but with some accents of these pearls and gold. Okay, I think this is it, and we're gonna blow this out. Starting in the center. Gorgeous. I do see some accents of the pearl blue, not really the pearl violet. Let's blow this line out first. Okay, here I do see some of the pearl violet, but mostly of the blue. Oh, I'm loving the monochrome look. Super duper cool. Don't see a lot of the pearl there, just some of the accents. Really, really nice. I'm loving this design. So much in harmony as well. I might blow this over the side, because it's here over the side as well. I will torch it because the cells that I see now I think are amazing. And I do want quite a lot of details because it's a big canvas. But I will tweak this as well, botanical style. I'm loving this, how it is. Yep, this is very, very cool. But I do wanna tweak this. I don't know if it's the best idea because it is gorgeous how it is right now. And there's a big chance I will make it even prettier or mess it up a bit. But hey, we're here to experiment too, and I'm gonna stick to my plan. But I know for sure after the tweaking it will look totally different. Let's see first where I want to create the center. Definitely here, I think, just in the center. Getting quite a big center already. Good, this one too. I must be careful when I'm spinning the painting because I don't want to distort the lines. I think I'm getting, it will be troubling, the center will be troubling. So loving this. You see how slow I'm spinning this now? I noticed in other works that after I rotated the canvas a bit, the lines got wiggly. It's like that. And here it's a little bit messy, but that's okay because I can always touch it up later with a white Posca pencil, and probably I will do that. Mostly on the top part, so here and there and here. I'm not dragging it fully towards the line that I already created. Loving this. Center is not my favorite. The spiral here. Okay, let's blow out some more of the leaves. And then we need to wait till it's dry and see the pearl accents in this paint. Well, this one might be one of the coolest one I've done. It will fit in almost any home. I'm so happy. Can't wait to see this dry. So I'm gonna let it dry and bring you up for the dried end result.